Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Gamars. Today, we have an exciting product review for you. Streamline your charging experience. With the car wireless charger cup in the fast-paced world we live in, the need for efficient and convenient solutions has never been more apparent. The car wireless charger cup is a product that aims to seamlessly integrate technology into our daily lives, providing a hassle-free solution to the perennial problem of keeping our devices charged while on the go. One of the standout features of the car wireless charger cup is its sleek and compact design. The cup-shaped charger effortlessly blends into your car's interior, giving it a polished and modern look. The device is not only functional but also adds a touch of sophistication to your vehicle's dashboard. Its unobtrusive design ensures that it doesn't clutter your car space, allowing you to maintain a clean and organized environment. The convenience offered by this wireless charger cannot be overstated. The elimination of cumbersome charging cables is a game changer, providing a tangle-free and aesthetically pleasing charging experience. The charger is equipped with Qi wireless charging technology, making it compatible with a wide range of smartphones that support wireless charging. Simply place your device in the cup holder, and the intelligent charging mechanism takes care of the rest. The effectiveness of the car wireless charger cup is further enhanced by its fast charging capabilities. With a high-powered output, this device ensures that your gadgets receive a quick and efficient charge, keeping you connected and powered up during your daily commute or long road trips. The built-in smart chip also protects against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits, ensuring the safety of your devices. Another noteworthy feature is the adjustable cup holder design, allowing the charger to fit snugly into most standard cup holders. This adaptability ensures that the car wireless charger cup is a versatile accessory for various car models, catering to a wide audience of tech-savvy drivers. The user-friendly nature of this wireless charger extends to its simple operation. The one-touch button on the charger makes it easy to open and close, providing a secure grip for your device. The LED indicator lights keep you informed about the charging status, adding a layer of transparency to the charging process. The device also supports 360-degree rotation, allowing you to position your phone at the most comfortable viewing angle. However, it's important to note that the effectiveness of the wireless charging feature may vary depending on the thickness of your phone case. For optimal performance, it is recommended to use a case with a thickness of 5 mm or less. The car wireless charger cup is a well-designed and efficient solution for those seeking a seamless charging experience in their vehicles. Its sleek design, fast charging capabilities, and user-friendly features make it a standout product in the market. Say goodbye to tangled cables and hello to a more organized and technologically advanced driving experience with the car wireless charger cup. It's not just a charger, it's a lifestyle upgrade for the modern driver.